The LIFX Smart LED Light Strip is a versatile and vibrant smart lighting solution designed to enhance the ambience of any room with customizable and dynamic lighting effects. Known for its high brightness, rich color options, and ease of use, the LIFX Light Strip is a popular choice among smart home enthusiasts and interior decorators. One of the most notable features of the LIFX Light Strip is its ability to produce a wide spectrum of colors. It offers 16 million color options and adjustable white light ranging from warm to cool hues, 2500K to 9000K. This wide range allows users to create the perfect lighting environment for any occasion, whether it's a cozy movie night, a lively party, or a productive work session. The light strip is also exceptionally bright, delivering up to 1,400 lumens, which is sufficient to illuminate a large room or create striking accent lighting. Despite its brightness, the LIFX light strip is energy efficient, consuming relatively low power compared to traditional lighting solutions. Customization is a key strength of the LIFX light strip. Through the LIFX app, available on iOS and Android, users can easily control the light strip's color, brightness, and effects. The app offers a variety of preset themes and effects, such as color cycles, candle flicker, and strobe, as well as the ability to create custom scenes. Additionally, users can set schedules and timers to automate the lighting based on their daily routines. Integration with smart home ecosystems enhances the functionality of the LIFX light strip. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Microsoft Cortana, allowing voice control and seamless integration with other smart devices. This makes it easy to incorporate the light strip into a broader smart home setup and control it through various platforms. The physical design of the LIFX light strip is flexible and easy to install. It comes with adhesive backing, allowing it to be mounted on a variety of surfaces such as under cabinets, behind TVs, or along baseboards. The strip can be cut to size for a custom fit, and additional strips can be connected to extend its length. Durability and build quality are also noteworthy. The LIFX light strip is designed to last, with an estimated lifespan of up to 25,000 hours. This ensures long-term reliability and consistent performance. Overall, the LIFX Smart LED Light Strip is a powerful and flexible lighting solution that offers extensive customization, high brightness, and seamless smart home integration. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home lighting with modern, smart technology.